Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Marie, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online working from home. I recently started a series on different Upwork jobs for beginners, and I want to do the same with Fiverr. So today I'm going to focus on one unique Fiverr gig idea that has low competition and is quite popular on Fiverr. If you have ever used any dating apps, you know that it's very important to have nice, attractive photos to get matches so you can find someone to go on a date with. Well, if you go on Fiverr and type in photo Tinder or photo Hinge or Bumble or any of the major dating websites, you can see that there are different services available. When I type in photo Tinder, there are 40 services available. And you can see that a lot of these, this one here, I will create the best Tinder profile for you with the best photos, over 861 reviews. This one, I will select photos for your Tinder profile. 69 reviews. I will do professional Tinder profile photo editing. This one as well. This person will select, edit top photos for these different dating apps, Tinder, Bumble, Hinge. There are many different gigs, but there are only 40 services available, which means that you're not going to be competing with thousands of different people. You can see here, I like this guy's gig cover photo because he has profile photo editing before and after. So basically, what you can offer as one of your gigs is, one, you can select photos for people to use for their Tinder profile, which this person charges 20 euro. Basically, that person would send you maybe 20 photos and you choose 5 of the best ones. But I think a more lucrative way to make money would be to offer profile photo editing. So they would send you some photos that they want to use on their Tinder profile, and you will edit it to make their skin look smoother, their eyes brighter, their teeth whiter, using a few different free or paid photo editing apps. I'm going to show you 3 different photo editing apps you can use. 2 of them are free and 1 of them is paid. This person is charging 65 euro to select and edit 5 of your most attractive photos. I would not start with prices this high if you're just getting started, but a lot of these people are simply offering to choose photos for Tinder, and you can see that a lot of these are women who are offering these gigs. I suppose a lot of men trust the opinion of women, if they're trying to attract a female partner. You can see this one, they're showing some simple edits to make this guy look better for his dating profile, smoothing out his skin a little bit. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. First of all, you're going to need some photos for your portfolio. So like this guy has a before and after photo, you're going to want to use some free images and edit them to put in your own profile. So what you can do is you can go to a website like unsplash.com or Pixabay and type in man or woman or whatever you want and choose a picture that you want to do some edits with so you can show people the before and after. And then we're going to use some different photo editing websites. So the first one is a free one. Obviously, if you start to get some orders, I recommend using a more advanced paid one, but this is something that you can get started with so you don't have to pay to have photos for your portfolio. You're going to go to this website here, makeup.pho.to, then click here on Enhance Your Photo and upload a portrait photo from your computer, so whichever one you downloaded from Pixabay or Unsplash. And you can see this one has just automatically done the touch-up for you. If you click here on See Original, you can see the difference. You can see it smoothed out his skin here. It's whitened his teeth a little bit. And you can undo any of the ones that you don't want. So let's say you don't want to do the glamour effect, you can choose Apply. And it's just going to add the filters that you want. And then you're just going to click Save and Share and click Download and you'll have your image. Again, this is free, so I recommend you use a paid software, which I'm going to show you as well. Let's take that same picture and upload it to Canva. You'll open up Canva. Now Canva you can use for free. There are some premium features, but the feature I'm going to show you is a free feature. You're going to click on Create a Design, then go Edit Photo, and let's choose that same photo. Then you're going to click Edit Photo. Then you're going to click on the image and go Edit Image. And then here, you're going to use something called face retouch. If you can't find it, just type in face and you'll see it's right here. So just click on that and it's going to automatically touch up the face for you. You can see it's working right now. You can click on show the original to see the difference. Now, this has just been a light, it's whitened his teeth. And you can choose, for example, the smooth skin. I want to make this a bit smoother. So I'm going to increase the intensity of that. So it looks even better. And then whitened teeth you can click on. And again, you can increase the intensity as well. Or just choose auto and let it do it for you. You can increase the intensity as well. And then just click apply. Now with Canva, you could add any other sort of filters that you want. You click on the image again, go to edit image, and you can do things like adjust the brightness, adjust the contrast, saturation, or add any filters that you want. And then to download the image, you click share and click download and then download. And here we have the original image. And here you can see it's just a little bit smoother. His skin and his teeth are a bit whiter, so he just looks, it's a bit more of an attractive photo. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use a website called PicMonkey.com. It is a paid website. However, it only costs around $7.99 a month. And there are so many different options. I've been using this for years. So when you log on to PicMonkey, click Edit New Image, then click Open Image from Computer and upload your image. Okay, so we have this image of this really beautiful girl, but let's just say she wants some edits to her photo. What you're going to do is click here on Touch Up, and you can see there are so many different options. You can touch up the skin. We've got airbrush, skin smoother, shine reduce, blush boost. You can whiten the teeth. You can add lipstick. You can brighten the eyes. There are so many different things that you can do. So let's zoom up. We're gonna zoom up on the image, and let's say we want to smooth out some of the freckles. You can click on Skin Smoother, and here you can choose your brush. There's all sorts of different brush types. I'm gonna just click on the circle brush. You can adjust the size of the brush and the hardness, so how sharp it will be, the strength. We don't want it to be too obvious, so we're just gonna lower down the strength and the hardness. And then just click apply when you're finished. I actually prefer to use the airbrush than the skin smoother. So again, we're just going to reduce the size, reduce the hardness, reduce the strength, and just sort of brush over any areas that you want to smooth out a little bit. This works great on wrinkles as well. And as you're doing this, if at any point you want to compare it to the original image, you can click here, just hold to see the before and after. So once you're finished playing around with this, you can always do more later. You're just going to click apply. We also have blemish fix as well, so you can click on that, any blemishes you want to get rid of or any moles, and you can just zoom up and just go over it, over any blemishes that you want. And then you can click on apply the blemish. Here we also have blush boost, which you can add a little bit of blush to the cheeks if you want. You can choose a color. Again, adjusting the size and the strength. And click apply. We can click on eye brighten. This will help us brighten up the eye and the white part of the eye as well. Again, we don't want it to be too harsh, so we're going to reduce the strength and the hardness. Again, you can see the before and after. Apply. We can even add mascara or eyeliner if you wanted to make her eyelashes pop out a little bit more as well. Again, really putting down the strength and the hardness so it's not too obvious. And then just brush along her eyelashes. You can just see that helps the mascara to pop a bit. Do it on the lower lashes as well. We can go to teeth whiten. Again, just zooming up, she has very white teeth, but let's just say we want to brighten them a little bit. Again, reducing the hardness. You can even increase the brightness if you want. And you can just brush over wherever you want to brighten it. This is great for, there are certain spots that are a bit more yellow than others. Apply. Then let's just hold down to see the before and after. You can see that it's very similar to her original photos. We've just smoothed it out a bit. And there are even other things you can do, like sculpt, narrow, if you wanted to make the person appear a little bit slimmer, or add highlights to the hair. I think this looks really good, so we're just going to click download and then download. Okay, and there you have your finished picture. And you could say in your gig that you can make them look as natural as possible, or make them look, as airbrushed as the person likes it. If they want to have just slightly natural improvements to their photos, or if they want more dramatic photo editing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I hope you liked this gig idea for selling gigs on Fiverr. If there are any other apps that you like to use for photo editing, please feel free to share in the comment section below. Thank you guys once again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.